organize any competition during this event. The basic intention was to make this subject, to make this subject reach to everybody in a manner that they shall feel that they can talk mathematics, they can walk mathematics, they can eat mathematics, they can drink mathematics. So we try to have the collaborative and the communicative approach throughout the activities which were prepared during this program. So the students who are here, who have already attended the phase 1 and phase 2, they must be having this idea that all the activities, they were very, very interactive during the last 2 phases. And the best part is that when we planned this program, I just thought about it during the summer vacations, because throughout 1.5 months, from April, in the month of April and till the mid-May, we were not able to reach to any decision that how to celebrate this year or what kind of event shall be planned. But one day suddenly during the summer vacations, I thought that let us invite all the eminent people who are working in the field of mathematics. So I just wrote a mail to everybody. Dr. Dharam Prakash was there, Dr. Chinda was there, Dr. V.P. Gupta, Professor NCRT is not here today. He was there, Dr. B.M. Agarwal from IIT is there, to Atul Kothari ji from Shiksha Sanskriti Utthanyas, and to all my teachers, and they all sacrificed their holidays, they postponed their programs, and everybody came to the school on that invite, which was of a very, very short duration. And then we did the brainstorming for 3 to 4 hours and reached to the conclusion that what should be the objectives of the program. So objectives of the program were shared with you by Sunita ma'am. Ultimately, we planned the program and we came out with certain activities. The most interesting part during the formation of these activities, when the activities were planned, that number one, they were not planned only by the teachers of the SD public school. Teachers of the other schools, they also contributed. Ms. Rashmi Kathuria is not here, she is from Kulachi Hansraj School. Mr. Amit Bajaj from CRPF School, Mrs. Sangeeta Gulati from Sanskriti School, and the teachers from the Saraswati Bal Mandir School, the teachers from the SD Public School. So all of them, they sat together, they planned some activities, and then we thought, let us see, activities are planned, but whether the children will be liking it or not, whether we will be able to meet our objectives or not, let us test it. So the mode of testing was that when my school teachers came back after vacations, so I invited all the teachers in a workshop. They were music teachers, they were Hindi teachers, Sanskrit teachers, dance teachers, English teachers, all those who were having the phobia about the subject, they were invited in that workshop. My mathematics teachers, they conducted all those activities with those teachers, and all of them, they enjoyed the activities, and they were given a homework. The teachers were given one homework that they will be going back to home and they will be trying out all these activities with their kids. So they went back, they conducted the activities with their own children, and then next day all of them, they came bubbling that and very, very happy that today they were able to at least tell their children that they also know maths. The children should not feel superior. They cannot say that you are Hindi teacher, you don't know maths, or you are English teacher, you don't know maths. So ma'am, I taught yesterday my son. And one very, very interesting incident happened. One of my English teachers, there was one activity creating a triangular box out of circle. So while doing that activity, it was a craft work, but while doing that craft activity, the students were able to easily understand all the theorems which they are learning in the class 9th and 10th. This was about the circle, about the basic proportionality theorem, about creating the regular hexagon, about how to find the median, how to draw the median, how to find the centroid. So almost all the concepts which they learn in the geometry class, they were involved in that. So out of all those concepts, that creating regular hexagon while making a triangular box out of circle, that was one thing which helped her a lot, because her son has got one homework during the summer vacation, that make a regular hexagon. So she said that this was the last day of his vacation, and I learned the activity here, and I went back and I helped my child to complete the homework. And when next day he went to the school, his teacher called the mother and said, your child is the only child who has done this activity. Now you explain me how you have helped. So I also want to learn. So that was very interesting. And that English teacher was so motivated that she told me that I want to take one session with the students. And she took one very interesting session with the students. So that was the most amazing part. So many such stories are there, and I feel that when we go back to those experiences, we feel that our objective of removing the mathematics phobia is achieved. So I would like Mr. Ajay to play the video of this program, the small video. And we have created a DVD which contains lots of teacher resources. It has almost all the activities which were taken during the 2 phase. And along with that, lots of other mathematical resources are there. One collaborative effort made by our school and some other schools jointly is creating e-dictionary of the curious numbers. So the children and the teacher, they identified more than 150 curious numbers, and then they were arranged in the form of a dictionary. So you will find lots of resources in the DVD which we will be giving you after the launch. But before that, a small video. The first phase was inaugurated by the CBSE chairman, Mr. Dinesh Joshi, at that time. Dr. Sadhna Parashar, Academic Director of the CBSE. She blessed the students valedictory. Dr. V.D. Gupta, retired from NCRT. He gave the presentation on Srinivas Ramanujan. Deenanath Batra ji, President of Shiksha Sanskriti Udmaniya. Dr. Kailash Vishwakarma is an authority on Vedic mathematics. He is Professor of Physics at Jhansi University. And Dr. Dharan Prakash, he loves taking interactive sessions with our students. Ms. Rashmi Kathuria, she is expert in integrating the technology with the subject. Ms. Anjali Pagga, she is also a teacher from Kolati Hansalaj. Ms. Kaveri Ramchandran, a teacher from Kolati Hansalaj, who is taking some creative teaching learning strategies. Ms. Preeti from LD Public School is taking the craft-oriented activity. Ms. Jasmine. Mr. Amit Bajaj from CRPS School. He loves taking sessions on problem solving. Mr. Devendra Singh Yadav from Saraswati Bal Mandir took sessions on Vedic mathematics. You can see that the classrooms are very colorful and interesting because you can see all sorts of uniforms. Children from the various schools and from the different classes, they are sitting together to learn. Dr. D.P. Mukherjee, Dr. V.P. Srivastava interacted with the teachers and gave them very important tips while teaching mathematics to the students. Sangeeta Gulati from Sanskrit School. Mr. Ajay is interacting with the participants and taking their feedback. All this craft work created by the students with the help of their mathematics knowledge only. Second phase of the study was inaugurated by Dr. D.P. Singh, Dr. R.P. Sharma from CBSE, Dr. K.P. Chinda, Dr. Manmohan Singh. So in the second phase, the number of schools were increased, number of the participants were also increased, and everybody enjoyed all the activities. In the first phase, the activities were created around maths craft, ICT, Vedic mathematics and problem solving. And in the second phase, the activities were more of the nature which trains them for the problem solving. So qualitative and quantitative reasoning was there. Students presented their mathematical models and the posters. This is the school gate, which has become a very interesting activity for the primary school students. They were supposed to find the dimensions of this gate sitting in their room without using any measuring tape. And they use their knowledge of the concept of ratio, scale, similarity. Children are talking about this movement on Facebook, and they're posing challenges, answering the puzzles, discussing with each other their experiences, their knowledge, they're asking their doubts. And there is a website also on mathematics movement. You can see lots of presentations. The lectures which happened during those two activities, they are posted on the YouTube Mathematics Movement channel and the SD Public School channel. And this is not all. This is one part of the activity. We kept the name after thinking a lot that the program should spread like a movement. So to conduct this mathematics movement, we visited to various other schools.